Case study. The one autoresponder email that increase your income by $1,000 per day. Now and then, I coach fellow marketers on how to take their $1,000 a month business and quickly level it up to $10,000 a month. Just between you and me, it's easier to go from $1,000 to $10,000 than it is to go from $0 to $1,000. That's because once an income reaches $1,000 a month, there are already systems and funnels in place that are making it happen. Then it's just a question of tweaking those systems to increase the income. If you don't already have a list, a funnel, and so forth, you can still make money from this trick by going to other marketers who are building their email lists and offering to add another $1,000 a month to their income. And if you're already building your list, then you are going to love this. This is engaged marketing. Subscribe to our channel. Let's continue. A few weeks ago, a new coaching client came to me asking for help in scaling his business. The first thing I did was ask to see his autoresponder sequence. These are the automated emails that are sent out to someone on a regular basis when they join his list. I'm most interested in seeing that first email he sends. The one that always reads something like, "Welcome to the ABC list. Here's the link to your free download." That is the standard email, and I'm here to tell you that it's a sin to send the email this way, and here's why. This first email that new subscribers receive from you is opened somewhere between 50% to 90% of the time. Check your own AR stats and see if this isn't true. Opened 50% to 90% of the time. No other email comes close to reaching these numbers. And yet, most marketers do not do any selling in that email. I don't want to come across as pushy. I'm worried if I try to sell something they will unsubscribe. If you have thoughts like these, then it's time to turn your thinking on its head. If you're building a list, 99 times out of 100 it's because you want to sell that list something. Maybe you're a nonprofit and you want to sell them by making a donation. Maybe you have a certain belief system and you want to sell them on believing what you believe. Or maybe, like most of us, you want to sell them products and services that help them to reach their goals. Now then, if you are building a list so that you can sell to them, then what's wrong with selling to them? If seeing a sales link in that initial email scares them off, then they were never going to buy anyway. Otherwise, by placing a link in that email, you are training them to expect to see links in all of your emails. You are training them to expect offers and click links. As you can imagine, this is profitable for you and beneficial for your list because you are helping them to get the benefits they seek. Now then, back to my coaching student. Her welcome email was just what I expected. "Welcome to the XYZ studio. Here's the link to your free video. And here are the changes we made. First, in the email, we promised to send a second free gift the following day. We do this to train new subscribers to open emails, and in fact, every email for the first week promises another free gift the following day. We also added 3 or 4 hot bullet points to make them salivate over those free gifts and anticipate receiving the email the next day and opening it. This method alone can greatly increase your income in the long run because your list becomes accustomed to opening any email that comes from you. Continue to give them free gifts now and then to keep that momentum up, and make sure the free gifts are short, sweet, and totally awesome. Okay, before I tell you about the second thing we added to that first email, let's do a little math. If you get 100 new subscribers each day, and 3 out of 4 open that first email, that's 75 opens. If you get 300 new subscribers each day, that's 225 opens. 225 opens times 30 days a month is 6,750 opens each month. That's 6,750 people you can be sending to the link of your choice, and here's how to do it. P.S. While you're eagerly waiting for that free gift tomorrow, I've got one more thing for you today, a special 20% off discount code for new subscribers only. After you visit our catalog, if you decide to try out any of our best-selling products, you can use the checkout code to instantly save on as many products as you choose. My personal favorite is the XYZ product because it will reveal exactly how you can get benefit in just 7 days. Don't wait too long to use your discount because it's valid only on first-time orders and only for the next 24 hours. With these 2 tweaks, free gift, PS discount. She added over $1,000 a month to her income almost immediately. Hope it helps. Like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.